In previous videos, we've used the Title Options tab in Compile in Scrivener 3 for Windows to create prefixes and suffixes. But that's not the only option. There are also prefix and suffix tabs. What's all that about? So first, let's see how these work. We're going to use a compound format with a title and text. These are proper formatting boxes, so you have all the options for changing fonts, alignment, etc. So better if you want something completely different from the title. If we simply put something into the prefix box and add a return, it'll appear, as you might expect, above the title text. However, if you check the Place Prefix after Title, it'll do exactly that. This will generally butt right up to the text element, so you might have to play around with line spacing for the title text, depending on what you're doing. Why not just use the suffix box if you want the text after the title? Because the suffix box will put the text after the body text. Obviously, if you were just using a title-only style, it would appear after the title. So why the two types of suffix and prefix? Well, because these tabs allow you to do things that involve using extra code, that if you were to put it into the title prefix or suffix boxes, might appear as part of the title or in the table of contents in an ebook. Not a good look. The separate tabs avoid this. Obviously, you could just put bigger blocks of text into these two tabs, but next time we're going to try something a little more decorative instead.